Carl here from Welding Academy, here to talk to you about the top 5 things that's going to help you with welding safety. Depending on the kind of environment that you're welding in, you may have guys that you're welding with that are welding and grinding, you walking by, them not seeing you, so it's always good to have all your safety gear on, including your safety glasses. Remember, welding safety is not a must, it's a mindset. So try to get in the habit of always wearing your safety gear at all times, and it will protect you from all these potential hazards. The dangers of welding are unpredictable. So let's start off with your welding beanie. This is, in my personal opinion, a must. Helps so I don't get a bunch of sparks on my head or catch your hair on fire. Also, I use this little flap here to kind of cover your ear. That way, when you're welding on the side, you don't get sparks in your ear because that doesn't feel very good. Remember, with welding, there's a lot of heat, and grinding also, a lot of heat, sparks, a lot of hot metal, so you really want to make sure you're protected really well. And this is one of the things that's going to help you so your hair doesn't start on fire. Next, let's talk about your welding hood. They make different styles, different kinds, so whichever you prefer and whatever you're welding with is your choice. Also, your welding lens is very important. Obviously, you do not want to look at the bright light without them. It will burn your eyes. For those of you out there that have done it, you know what I'm talking about. You know if you know, right? Also, you want to set your shade to whatever you're welding with. So if you're TIG welding, stick welding, MIG welding, different types like that, you may want different shades depending on what's good for your eyes. So this is the kind of hood that I like to use, but you make sure when welding you have this hood on. I know some people like to tack. If you're using MIG, tack without a hood, but remember that bright light does not only damage your eyes, any portion of your skin that's bare, it will make that burn. Now let's talk about gloves. Very important for your hands, kind of keep them so your hands not getting so hot, and the flame and sparks. So we got 2 different kinds here. These ones are mainly used for MIG and TIG. They're a little bit lighter, a little bit thinner. That way you can actually feel for people that do TIG welding as well. The next one, they're a little bit heavier duty. These are mainly for stick welding, a little bit thicker, depending on what you're welding on, the kind of amps you're running. Of course, the more amps and the hotter it is, and this is gonna help protect your hands, okay? So these are very good for stick, MIG and TIG right here. Next, some people call them welding jackets or welding shirts, whichever you prefer. You want to have long sleeve when welding. Remember, no bare skin or you will get burns on your skin. Long sleeve for sparks on your arms. You don't want to have a bunch of sparks on you. Remember, those do cause scars. Those of you that have welded for years probably have some. But shirts, make sure they're at least 100% cotton FR. You can also use leather. That's another good one. But these are a must when welding that protect your arms and the rest of your body. Next but not least, safety glasses. They come in different shapes, colors, styles. Depending on what you like or what you're doing, the kind of welding is what's going to determine that. Also depends on what kind of hood you use. You know, they make different hoods for different applications. A lot of times, most jobs out there nowadays are requiring double eye protection when cutting and welding. So keep that in mind when you're going to pick out your safety glasses on the type of hood you use as well. But these are very important to protect your eyes from sparks when you're grinding or cutting as well too. I know, like I said, a lot of places are requiring double eye protection when cutting. So different styles, different colors, whichever you prefer on the kind of job you're doing and welding that you're doing. Always having your safety gear on. Again, like I said, a mindset of always having your safety gear on, safety glasses, long sleeve shirt, gloves, the right hood will protect you from those dangers. Until the bead cools, we'll see you on the next one.